Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. OS is updated, and you have admin rights, so changes apply system-wide. Next, download the exact AnyConnect package your VPN gateway expects, because mismatched versions cause handshake failures. Once done, disable third-party firewall or antivirus temporarily while you install. This avoids driver or service blocks. Make sure to record those security settings so you can restore them. Finally, run the installer as administrator and watch for driver prompts. Accept them to install the VPN adapter correctly. You now install and configure the client. Run the installer as admin and accept any network driver or TAP prompts because the virtual adapter must load. Once installed, open AnyConnect and add the exact VPN server address and group. This ensures correct certificate validation. Then, set DNS and split tunnel preferences to match your organization so traffic routing behaves as expected. If your environment uses a proxy, enter those credentials now. These steps fix most connection and name resolution issues by aligning client settings with gateway policy. You finish by validating the connection. Confirm you received the VPN IP, check route table and DNS resolution to ensure traffic flows through the tunnel. If it fails, collect AnyConnect diagnostics and Windows Event Viewer logs to identify certificate, driver, or ACL errors. Re-enable antivirus and firewall and test again. Sometimes security software blocks VPN adapters. If driver errors persist, uninstall AnyConnect. Reboot into safe mode to remove leftover drivers, then reinstall cleanly. This sequence resolves most stubborn client issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.